Welcome to Business Education and Research. In this video, we will explain how to calculate simple interest rate with practical example. Understanding how to calculate simple interest is basic yet essential financial skill. With easy formula and step-by-step explanations, you will master this concept in minutes. Let us start with an example. Question is given here. If a deposit of $5,000 earned an interest of $600 over a period of 3 years, what is the annual rate of interest on this deposit? In this question, the initial principal amount of deposit is given, that is $5,000. The total amount of interest earned on such deposit is also available, that is $600. The time period of investment is also available in the question, that is 3 years. So therefore, P is available, R is available, and T is available. What is the annual rate of interest? So the question is, we are supposed to find out the interest rate. So interest amount is given, but interest rate is not given. That is, interest percentage is not given. That is what we are supposed to find out. To find out the interest rate, we are supposed to use the same formula. That is interest calculation formula. Interest calculation is done by using this formula. Interest is equal to P into R into T. P is equal to principal amount, R is equal to rate of interest, T is equal to time period, I is equal to interest amount. So interest amount is given in the question, that is $600. Principal amount is also available in the question, that is $5,000. Rate of interest is not given. This is what we are supposed to find out. Time period T is also given in the question, that is 3 years. Then let us go for second step. Second step, we are going to rearrange the formula to find out the rate of interest. Rate, that is interest rate. Okay. So rate is equal to interest divided by interest amount divided by principals into time period. So R, that is rate of interest, is equal to I divided by P into T. So R is given in the is not given in the question, but interest amount is given. So therefore 600 is the I, 5000 is the principal amount, time period is 3 years. So R, that is interest rate, that is what we are supposed to find out. We are going to use this formula. R is equal to 600 divided by 5000 multiplied by 3. So R is equal to 600 divided by 15,000 R. So therefore, the answer R is equal to 0.04. By converting to percentage, R is equal to 0.04 multiplied by 100, you get 4%.